Today we're going to fix a leak on a window, so let's get started. So the problem here is this is a commercial type window where it has different window glass units and they're kind of molded together, and right at the seam where this larger window in the center and the right window here, smaller one, seam together, the window is actually slightly separated and I can see daylight through this gap. So certainly caulking it on the inside, that's easy, but I need to seal it on the outside. So I'm first going to try to remove the sash out of the window, and I feel confident that I can lean out. There's enough of a ledge out there that I wouldn't worry too much. If I just sat out on there, I could reach up with a caulk gun and caulk the seam. If I can't do that, I actually coincidentally have someone here that I'm watching as a subcontractor for another project, and he'll have a bucket truck. So if I can't get it from inside here on the ledge, I'll get the bucket truck and I'll definitely get it with that. So here's a shot of the window. You can see the daylight coming right through the joint there between the two sashes. And you can even see some, looks like water standing on the ledge here. So I really need to address this. There we go. This is gonna work. There we go, just some OSI quad. Got the bronze, that should match pretty well. Not pretty, but it'll do. Let's just try that. See if it shuts. Gotta go down just a little bit. All right, that looks good. So you're not really supposed to use this indoors, but nobody's going to be in here for a couple weeks, so the VOCs will be able to dissipate. I'm going to redeem myself by doing a nice line on the inside. This is where everyone's going to see it. So here's the caulk line on the inside. I think I did a much better job, but you be the judge. So that's another item off my checklist. I just noticed it when I was running that thermostat line. So this is the thing that I added to the list instead of really subtracting. So now at least I'm back to 0. So I'll get on with the rest of the things on my list, but just wanted to show you this minor repair. So I hope you enjoyed it, and thanks for watching.